Hello everyone, Larry Carson from MarineMax Charleston here. Today we want to show you the 2019 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. This particular boat we ordered with the high bow rail. Gives you a little extra security inside on the boat. One of the new features in 2019, they added a storage box in the console for the boat. It does have a drain. Nice stainless steering wheel. Battery, fuel tank, very easy to get to underneath. This particular boat was ordered also with the bimini top, which is all stainless frame, not aluminum. You do have swim steps back on each corner of the boat, along with a swim ladder over on the port side. You can accessorize this boat. You can add cushions and various seat options to this particular bench. You can do the bow cushion up front as an option as well. The boat does come packaged with a galvanized trailer from Whaler, drive-on trailer. And as you can see, it's actually got a very deep entry for a boat in a 13-foot category. If you have any questions about this boat or any of the others that we do have in stock, please check with us at MarineMax.com, or you can give us a call here at MarineMax Charleston at 843-747-1889. Thanks and have a great day.